Rivian, an all-electric vehicle manufacturer, has released information about the first of its two electric vehicles, the R1T, an all-electric 5-passenger pickup. The automaker will also introduce its fully electric SUV, the R1S. The highly anticipated truck features a range of up to 400 miles, a weight in depth of 1 meter, and the performance and precise control of quad-motor all-wheel drive, and has been developed to help customers get out and explore the world. The R1T and R1S will be produced at Rivian's manufacturing plant in Normal 2 from late 2020. The foundation used is Rivian's own skateboard platform, which efficiently packages the battery pack, drive unit, suspension, braking, and thermal system all below the height of the wheel, leaving the space above for occupants and their gear. Beyond the packaging benefits, this architecture delivers a low center of gravity that supports the vehicle's agility and stability. Adding to these inherent advantages is a sophisticated suspension architecture with unequal length double wishbone suspension in the front and a multi-link suspension in the rear. The suspension features dynamic roll control and adaptive dampers along with ride height adjustable air suspension, allowing the suspension to be adjusted for high work comfort, on-road performance, or off-road capability. Rivian's vehicles also feature a quad-motor system that delivers 147 kilowatts with precise torque control to each wheel, enabling active torque vectoring and maximum performance in every situation, from high-speed cornering to low-speed rock crawling with 3,500 Nm of grounded torque per wheel, 14,000 Nm of torque for the full vehicle. The R1T can reach 60 miles per hour in 3 seconds and 100 miles per hour in less than 7 seconds. This powertrain and chassis also enables the R1T's towing rating of 11,000 pounds. The R1T has been designed to communicate strength and refinement while still inviting customers to get them dirty. Strong proportions and clean continuous body lines help the vehicles achieve a modern, inviting stance, while acknowledging the performance and level of technology integrated into the vehicle. The main body line of the R1T wraps up and around the cab and gives the vehicle a distinctive silhouette, while highlighting the gear tunnel cut line and accentuating the rear fender's flares. The R1T features short overhang, high ground clearance, and aggressive approach, and departure angles for a confident and rugged stance, all enabled by Rivian's unique skateboard platform. A Rivian will be quickly recognized with its iconic signature stadium headlights and daytime running lights that extends the entire width of the vehicle. In harmony with the exterior, the interior welcomes occupants into a premium environment that conveys craftsmanship yet invites rugged daily use. Color and materials plays an important role in differentiating Rivian's vehicles. Sustainably sourced wood is used throughout the interior, and the natural finish contributes to a warm and inviting feel. The R1T leverages the vehicle architecture to deliver more lockable storage than any other pickup in the world. The 330 front trunk is easily accessed for daily use with the hood fully powered for opening and closing. The R1T's lockable gear tunnel sits below the cab and extends across the width of the vehicle, providing more than 350 liters of space for hauling oversized gear such as snowboards. The R1T has a watertight integrated tonneau cover, and beneath the bed floor is a 200-liter sealed bin that closed used to store a full-size spare tire. The bed features 312-volt outlets and integrated compressed air. Rivian's energy-dense battery modules and packs were developed with the most demanding journeys in mind, incorporating tough underbody protection and an advanced cooling system to give occupants the confidence to go further. Regardless of terrain or temperature, adaptive control algorithms learn driver behavior, optimizing user-specific battery management for maximizing battery life, reliability, and second life reusability. 3 battery sizes are planned: the 180 kWh and the 135 kWh available at launch, and 105 kWh being made available within 6 months. The battery is designed for fast charging with charging rates of up to 160 kilowatts. This enables approximately 200 miles of range to be added in 30 minutes of charging, in addition to DC fast charging an 11 kilowatt onboard charger facilitates rapid charging at level 2 charger. The R1T will also launch with a robust hardware suite with multiple modalities including camera, LiDAR, radar, ultrasonic, and high-precision GPS coupled with high-definition maps. This hardware enables level 3 hands-off wheel and eyes-off road autonomy for highway operations. Beyond the highway level 3, the vehicle will have a range of self-driving features focused on enabling active lifestyles. Pricing for the R1T starts at $61,000 after federal tax credits. Deliveries will begin in late 2020. Fully equipped vehicles with the highest performance level and largest battery pack will enter production first. The 180 kilowatt pack with 400 miles of range and the 135 kilowatt pack will be available at launch, with the base variant 250 plus mile range to follow within 12 months of the start of production. Rivian is also accepting pre-orders for refundable deposits of $1,000. So tell me now what you think about this truck. If you like it or you don't, what do you really think about it? Leave it in the comments section below. I want to thank you again for watching this video. Please hit the thumbs up button, hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and see you in the next one.